Imagine yourself with instant access to delectable, nourishing, and utterly irresistible snacks that fit any moment, day or night. And here's the exciting part, these delights aren't just scrumptious. They're also in perfect harmony with a vegan way of life. Get ready for a sensational lineup of 8 incredible choices, backed by science and crafted to tantalize your taste buds. So let's jump right in and uncover these sensational ideas for vegan snacking. 1. Hummus and veggie sticks. Imagine taking a delightful trip to the Mediterranean with your taste buds. We're talking about the fantastic duo of hummus and veggie sticks. They're not just delicious. They're a powerhouse of goodness too. So let's break it down. The hummus, made primarily from chickpeas, brings plant-based protein to the table, giving your muscles some love and keeping you satisfied. And that tahini, it brings heart-healthy fats and bone-loving calories to the party. Now, let's talk about those veggie sticks. They're like a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all wrapped up in a satisfying crunch. Take carrots, for example. They're bursting with vitamin A, a true champion for your vision and immune system. And don't even get us started on red bell peppers, packed with vitamin C to keep your skin glowing and your immune system rocking. It's not just a snack. It's a Mediterranean-flavored fiesta that your body will thank you for. Here's what you need. 1 can 15-ounce chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons tahini. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Juice of 1 lemon. Salt to taste. A variety of colorful vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. The recipe, in a food processor, combine the ingredients. Process until smooth, adding water as necessary to reach the desired consistency. Slice your choice of vegetables into sticks or bite-sized pieces. Serve the vegetables with the hummus for a nutritious and delicious snack. Tip: to have a quick and healthy snack anytime during the week, make your hummus and chopped veggies ahead of time. Store them in separate containers in the fridge. That way, you can easily scoop out a tasty and nutritious snack whenever you want. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all our great Bestie content. 2. Chia pudding. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are like tiny champions in the world of nutrition. These little guys might be small, but they're bursting with benefits. First up, they're fiber champs, which means they're great for your tummy. They help keep your digestion in check, make sure your blood sugar stays steady, and even give you that satisfied feeling after munching. But wait, there's more! Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are brain boosters that also help calm down inflammation in your body. Now, the real magic happens when these seeds take a little swim. When soaked, they soak up the liquid and turn into this cool, gel-like stuff, which is basically the secret ingredient for chia pudding. Pour in some plant-based milk-like almond or coconut milk. That's your healthy fat fix right there. And to keep things sweet without the bad stuff, a drizzle of maple syrup or agave does the trick. So, there you have it. A snack that's small in size but big on benefits and flavor. Here are the ingredients: 1 4-cup chia seeds, 1 cup plant-based milk, almond, coconut, etc. 1 or 2 tablespoons maple syrup or agave nectar. Your choice of nuts, fruits, and seeds for topping. Here is how to make it. In a bowl or mason jar, combined chia seeds, plant-based milk, and sweetener. Stir well, then cover and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, give the pudding a good stir, then top with your choice of fruits, nuts, and seeds before digging in. Tip: make your pudding more fun by trying different toppings. Use fresh berries for antioxidants, nuts for extra protein, and a bit of cinnamon to help control blood sugar. 3. Roasted chickpea. Craving something crispy, protein-packed, and totally vegan? Look no further than roasted chickpeas. They're the crunchy savior you've been waiting for. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are like the vegan MVP, loaded with protein and fiber to keep you going strong. But that's not all. These little powerhouses bring a bunch of nutrients to the party. We're talking about iron, which supports your blood health, and manganese, which is important for brain function and nutrient metabolism. When roasted with some olive oil and spices, chickpeas transform into a crunchy, satisfying snack that's a guilt-free alternative to processed snack foods. The result, a crispy, munch-worthy snack that's like a guilt-free treat for your taste buds. And those spices, they're not just for flavor. They bring their A-game to the health department too. Check this out. Paprika is like an antioxidant, and chili powder can give your metabolism a friendly nudge. So, next time that crunchy craving hits, remember, roasted chickpeas have got your back. Deliciousness and goodness in every crispy bite. Here's what you need to make roasted chickpeas. 1 can, 15-ounce, chickpeas, drained, rinsed and patted dry. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Your choice of spices, smoked paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, etc. Salt to taste. And here is how you can make them. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Toss the chickpeas in olive oil, your choice of spices and salt. Spread them out in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Roast for about 25 to 30 minutes or until crispy and golden. Stir every 10 minutes to ensure even roasting. Tip for a perfect roast, spread the chickpeas out in a single layer on a baking sheet and ensure they're dry before applying oil and spices. This will create that deliciously crispy texture. 4. Smoothie Packs. Think about this. Smoothie packs are like the superheroes of quick eats. Imagine having these packs all ready to go. Just grab, blend, and boom. You've got a super healthy smoothie in no time. The cool thing is, these smoothies are like a nutritional treasure chest. Depending on what you toss in there, you can get the perfect combo of carbs, protein, and those good-for-you fats. And let's not forget about the rainbow of vitamins and minerals they bring to the table. So, say goodbye to boring fast food and hello to the world of easy, peasy, and oh-so-nutritious smoothie packs. Here's what you need to make them. 1 banana, peeled and sliced. Half cup mixed berries. 1 cup spinach or kale. 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax seeds. 1 scoop plant-based protein powder optional. 1 cup plant-based milk for blending. This is how you can make them. In a freezer-safe container or bag, combine the banana, mixed berries, spinach, or kale, seeds, and protein powder if using. Freeze until ready to use. When ready to make your smoothie, dump the contents of 1 pack into a blender, add your choice of plant-based milk, and blend until smooth. Tip: think outside the box with your pudding. Try veggies like spinach or kale for more nutrients. To stay full for a while, mix in plant-based protein powder or silken tofu. 5. Energy balls. Meet your new snacking sidekick energy balls. These little powerhouses are like tiny nutrition bombs that you can take anywhere. They start with dates. These guys bring the base, and they're all about fiber and those important minerals your body loves. Then come the nuts and seeds, adding healthy fats, extra fiber, and a punch of protein to keep you going strong. But here's where the fun kicks in. You can customize these balls however you like. Get creative with flavors, textures, and extras. And speaking of extras, things like cocoa powder aren't just there for taste. They're like little antioxidant ninjas that your body totally appreciates. So, whether you're on the move or just need a tasty pick-me-up, energy balls are what you need. Here's what you need. 1 cup pitted dates. Half a cup nuts of choice. Half a cup seeds of choice. 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Half a cup rolled oats. The recipe: soak dates in hot water for 10 minutes, then drain. In a food processor, combine the soaked dates, nuts, seeds, cocoa powder, and oats. Process until everything is finely chopped and sticks together. Roll into balls and store in the fridge until ready to enjoy. Tip: make your energy balls even healthier by adding oats. Oats have soluble fiber that can lower cholesterol and keep your blood sugar steady. 6. Baked sweet potato fries. Get ready for a tasty treat that's as good for your eyes as it is for your taste buds. Baked sweet potato fries. These fries are like a vitamin A party, giving your eyes some extra love. But wait, there's more goodness in there. Sweet potatoes bring the fiber game, making sure you stay satisfied for a while. And guess what? They're not holding back on the nutrient front. Think potassium and vitamin C, just to name a couple. So, next time you're in the mood for fries, give the sweet potato version a shot. It's a delicious way to treat yourself and show your body some nutrient-rich love. Here's what you will need. 1 large sweet potato, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt, pepper, and your choice of spices. Now, here's how you can make them. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cut the sweet potato into fries or wedges. Toss with olive oil, salt, pepper, and spices. Spread out in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until crispy and golden, flipping halfway through. Tip: cut your sweet potatoes into even slices so they cook evenly. Try different spices for more flavor. Turmeric, for instance, has something called curcumin that helps fight inflammation and is really good for you. 7. Avocado toast. Let's talk about the snack that's like a 1 or 2 punch of yum and goodness. Avocado toast. It's simple, it's delicious, and it packs a whole bunch of nutrition. First up, avocados are full of healthy fats. They swoop in to help lower your cholesterol levels and keep your heart happy. And that's not all. They're loaded with fiber and all sorts of important stuff like potassium. Now, picture this, that creamy avocado goodness spread on whole grain bread. The bread brings complex carbs to the party, which means steady energy to keep you going, plus more fiber for that satisfying fullness that doesn't quit. So, when you're looking for a snack that's easy, tasty, and nourishing, avocado toast is your go-to. Here are the ingredients. 1 slice of whole grain bread, half ripe avocado, salt, pepper, and optional toppings, lemon juice, chili flakes, seeds, etc. And the recipe is really simple. Toast your bread to desired crispness. Mash the avocado and spread it on the toast. Season with salt and pepper, then top with your choice of extras. Tip to elevate your avocado toast. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for a vitamin C boost or sprinkle flax or chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. 8. Overnight oats. Ever heard of overnight oats? They're like the ultimate time saver for a nutritious snack. Here's the scoop. Oats are loaded with this awesome thing called beta-glucan. It's a kind of soluble fiber that's like a superhero for your cholesterol and blood sugar. Now, here's where the magic happens. Mix those oats with some plant-based milk and a touch of agave, yum, and let them chill in the fridge overnight. By morning, you've got this creamy, dreamy treat that's ready to dig into. So if you're all about quick, tasty, and healthy, overnight oats are your new snack time BFF. Here is what you need. Half cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup plant-based milk, 1 or 2 tablespoons agave nectar or maple syrup, your choice of fruits, nuts, and seeds for topping. And here is how you can make them. In a bowl or mason jar, combine the oats, plant-based milk, and sweetener. Stir well, then cover and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, give the oats a good stir, then top with your choice of fruits, nuts, and seeds before digging in. Tip: in the morning, put fruits on your oats for vitamins and antioxidants. Add nut butter or seeds for healthy fats and protein. Say goodbye to mindless munching and hello to the world of wholesome snacks. The road to a brighter tomorrow starts with better choices. If our tips hit the spot, don't miss out. Give that follow button a friendly tap. Now it's your time to shine in the kitchen. Tell us, which of these yummy recipes is calling your name? Or maybe you've already rocked some of them. Spill the beans on your secret recipes in the comments below. Remember, every bite is a stride toward your wellness goals. Cheers to mouth-watering, plant-powered snacking, and we'll catch you in our next flavor-packed adventure.